Getting a learner's permit in Colorado depends on your age, but the process follows the same basic steps. If you're between 15 and a half and 16, you'll need to pre-register online and complete either a 4-hour driver awareness class or a 30-hour driver education course within 180 days before you apply. Study the Colorado Driver Handbook and consider taking the practice quiz. You'll have to pass the written knowledge test, which you can take at the DMV or at home, but you'll still need an appointment to have your permit issued. If you're 16 to 17, you don't need formal education, but you should still study the handbook and take the practice quiz. The written test is required before you can get your permit, and again, you can take it at the DMV or at home, then schedule your permit appointment. For anyone 18 to 21, there's no education requirement. Just study, pass the written test, and book your appointment. In all cases, when you visit the driver license office, bring proof of identity, any completion forms from driver education if needed, the permit fee, and a parent, guardian, or licensed Colorado driver over 21 to sign the affidavit of liability if you're under 18. Your parent or guardian may also need to sign the affidavit of identity. Once you pass, you'll leave with your learner's permit and can start practicing with a licensed adult in the seat next to you.